What's going on? Oh, Jesus, man. What's going on, everybody? Welcome to another episode of Masked Up Motors. And this is your boy, Daddy. Today, on this video, I finally got my rims. I haven't put them on yet, but I literally just got them today. And I'm excited. Unfortunately, the tire shop is closed and can't do like a tire swap, and I was too excited. I really wanted to show you guys these new rims. They are from Revolve. I tried reaching out to them, but they ignored me, but I digress. I did buy some rims from them. I had my eye on them for quite some time, ever since you know, that whole mishap with the XXR rims. I needed something a little bit more sturdier, a little bit more rally oriented. Not that I rally at all, but this Subi behind me I am using in the wintertime, and sick and tired of just, you know, hitting potholes and cracking the rims. So next best thing, rally rims. I've been kind of like looking around. I was looking into Sparco, into Momo. Either the ones that I wanted, like the Momo Heritage ones, they looked mint and they would especially match this car, but they were so hard to find the size that I needed, especially the bolt pattern that I needed. And I really just didn't want to put converters on, or whatever you want to call them. I really didn't want to do that. It would definitely mess everything up for me, nor do I find that really safe, especially when I'm using that in the wintertime, in the snow, where it snows like, I don't know, 3-4 feet. But yeah, that's another reason why I wanted to learn welding skills. Wanted to put a winch on this thing, so when I do get stuck, I can winch myself out. But anyways, I digress. I really want to show you guys what I got. All right, guys, so here is the rims that I have been waiting for. Now, like I said, this is gonna be going on my winter car, my 2011 WRX. So these rims are by Revolve wheels. These are 18-inch, 9.5. I completely forgot the offset, and I think the model number is APVD 0119. Oh yeah, the offset is positive 30. Anyways, so I'm super excited to get these, and we will unbox them. Hold on, let me move this out of the way. I can't get this box to fully open without, there we go. Guys, I'm super excited. Revolve. All right, so packaging. There's an empty square here. Okay. Get that out of the way. We have some protective foam going around. So we got this styrofoam bit right over here. Let me take a quick little peek. Oh, these are nice. Look at that. I am so excited. Yes, look at that, guys. This is amazing. I love the color. Can't wait to see what it looks like beside the Subaru. Whoa. I don't see the little fancy caps. Ooh. Oh, I might not ding these up. Anyways, I don't see any of these fancy caps. I'm a little disappointed. I'm hoping it's in one of the other 3 boxes. Definitely super thick, way better than the XXRs that were in there. These are rally rims, so if these break, I don't know. If these break, I don't know what I'm gonna do in my life, but these are gonna be, unfortunately, worn in the winter time and kind of beat up. But you know what? That's what these rims are made for. They're made for rallying, so it's not like I'm doing any kind of rallying, but hopefully they'll hold up to the test of time. Yeah, maybe I'll give like a 1-year review and see how these Revolve rims hold up. For right now, fortunately it's the weekend. I got this on Saturday and I got nobody to put my tires on. If I could do it myself, I totally would. No, actually I probably wouldn't, because then if they destroy my rims, you know, they're kind of liable. So if I destroy them, I have to just buy some new ones. Yeah, so hopefully by the weekend, I can get these on, and we will see how these Revolve rims look like with these Raceland coilovers. Yeah. All right, so I decided to take them out of the box just so I can show you guys the rims some more. It came with this lovely garbage bag. Let's just flip this around. I'm not trying to scratch anything. This is what the other side looks like. I believe these rims are about 30 pounds each. Oh, Smells so good. But yeah, let's see what it looks like up against the car. Guys, look at that setup right there. That is gonna look spicy. Super excited about that. Don't mind the foam. It'll definitely match the neon yellow interior with the neon green. Kinda, sorta, not really. But it's gonna look sick. Super excited. So it's time for some B-roll, guys. Alright guys, that's all I have for you guys for today. I am super excited to put these in. I want to show you guys the finished project. I haven't even gotten around to install the Raceland coilovers. Just been a lot of things going on this week, but hopefully I'll get them on by the end of this week and the wheels mounted, so I can show you guys the final reveal. Well, at least in this little suspension slash rim setup type deal. But I still have some things in the works right now. I've been practicing my welding skills. Speaking of which, I shall show you. First, I welded this bar together. Not bad, not bad. The welds are looking pretty bad. I just don't want to show you guys. And I was just messing around to this nice little cute picture. Can anybody guess who it is? But practicing is getting a lot better. Definitely not there yet, as you can see by my pipe welding, but we are almost at a comfortable pace to start welding. And also pipe is kind of hard to come by and pretty expensive, and might need to buy a pipe bender as well. Didn't want to get one. I was hoping to get away with a vise, which I'm going to practice with this, and I'm already thinking that I might fail. But anyways, like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification button so you guys can know when I am coming out with a new video. Oh, and this little thing up here is, I don't know. I know there's like two videos right here. One is like YouTube generated, and the other one I think is like previous video or something like that. But I'll see you guys next week.